Hello everyone, and welcome again to another shoe reveal. This time, again it's Fluevogs, but this time it is the Bishops. They're size 9.5 and the colour is red. So these are glorious. Let me show you them. Ta-da! So, same box again. Although this blue is a little bit paler than the previous one, but it's still a lovely, nice and sturdy box. It's got the hole for things, for, you know, when you have a whole stack of them and you pull them out, that's stuff. But here are the shoes. So these are called the Bishops. Let me get them out for you and then we can talk about them. So here they are. One's buckled up and one is not, just to show you the difference. So these are the actual Bishops. They are from the, I can't remember. Hang on a sec. Right, they're from the Super Fine selection family. And you'll tell them, look at that profile. You see, that is just one sexy little shoe. The sweep in on the heel. The heel is actually red suede, as is the buckle, or the strap for the buckle. But the rest of the shoe is patent red leather. And you'll be able to see there. The buckle is a special buckle. So, and you've got two little holes for your buckle to go through, fully lined in leather. And there's the tongue of it, you can see there. The buckle is on elastic, and there's suede on this side of the buckle as well. So that's how they look. They have a square toe, truly square toe, but still a point. So a pointed square toe. And I just love, if we move these around, I just love this shape. Look at that, isn't that wonderful? So I wore these last year in a graveyard. There's still a bit of dirt on them, which is very slack of me. I should have cleaned them. But they're fully lined. These are, you can see the lovely shape of the back of the heel up here as well. So they look really beautiful on. The shoes are a bit, yeah, damaged. But the heel says, I don't know, nothing. But these did say super fine. Indeed you are. And there's the signature saying these ones were made in Peru and they're 9.5. So I vary between a 9.5 to an 11 depending on the design of the shoe and how wide they are. These are not the narrowest, but they're not the widest of shoe, as you can sort of see. They're quite straight. There you go, see, super fine. Yes, indeed you are. So leather sole, which is why they look a little bit roughed up, but that's what they look like. And now I'll put them on so you can see what they look like on a foot. Here they are on my foot. Well, at least one of them is. You can see how that shape sort of really sits in nicely to the ankle, and it has this gape, this space here, which I always think is quite pleasing to the eye, to see a little bit of whether you're wearing nothing or whether you're wearing tights, showing off a little bit of whatever is on your leg. That's what they look like on. And there's the buckle. So the tongue comes up quite high because there's my ankle bone there. And they've got that lovely shape to them. My toe is about there, big toe. So a lot of this is empty space, but it's the way the pointed shoe is. And I just think they are glorious. I just love them. They're wonderful to slip on. They hug the foot really comfortably, so they don't feel loose at all. Yeah, that's what they look like. There we go. What do you think, everyone? Do you think these are definitely a keeper? I love these so much. I love the suede and patent leather as well, because it almost looks like two different colors, but it's the same color, it's just in two different textures, so it gives a really interesting effect. Yeah, hold on a sec. Oh, and I wanted just to say that I put it onto the first buckle hole, the buckle to the first hole, so that it doesn't stretch out the elastic too much. But that's what they look like close up. There we go. Hold on us one more second. So there we have it. The glorious Bishops in red patent leather. Such a glorious shoe, I have to say. I do love this super fine family. I love that slope of the heel. There's something very, very pleasing about these shoes. They're one of my favorites. I don't wear them that often because they are one of my favorites and I don't want to get them too damaged. But there we go. There's another pair of unique soles for unique souls. And hope you enjoyed this one. Again, it's nice and short, and I'll see you next week for another pair of shoes. Remember to like and subscribe and make a comment if you want to make a comment, but keep it nice and cordial. And I will see you all next week. Okay, bye.